Hello, and welcome to this short video presentation on mindfulness and acceptance therapy. At our clinic, we are currently trying to raise awareness about the condition of ataxia. Ataxia is the name given to a group of neurological disorders that affect balance, coordination, and speech. There are many different types of ataxia, and most are progressive, meaning they get worse over time, with many sufferers becoming confined to wheelchairs and developing problems with sight or hearing. Some forms of ataxia are treatable, but in most cases there is still no cure. For this video, I would like to concentrate on some simple ideas that can help people who are dealing with the profound impacts of life-changing conditions like ataxia to find more flexible and fulfilling ways of life. The ideas and techniques I will talk about are not just relevant to anyone suffering from a form of ataxia, and can be applied to anyone with a chronic health condition. Persistent pain and functional impairment can be very distressing, and the consequences very hard to come to terms with. However, research shows that when dealing with chronic conditions, those people who can best adapt and find ways to maintain their quality of life within the constraints of their condition and life situation will understandably report better outcomes. How best to adapt to changes in physical health is of course a very individual process, but mindfulness and acceptance-based approaches have been proven as very effective in creating the resilience and adaptability that can help people cope with long-term changes to physical health. Mindfulness refers to a particular state of consciousness when we are deliberately paying attention to all that we experience in the present moment in a non-judgmental and accepting way, even if what we are experiencing is unpleasant or unwanted. When dealing with chronic pain and functional impairment, most people will react with physical and mental struggle. Mindful awareness can reduce our tendency to react automatically to pain or unpleasant situations, which in turn can help us to respond more flexibly in each moment. Accepting what we are experiencing can also enable us to make better choices about which actions are worth our time and effort. The combination of mindfulness and acceptance allows us to let go of those reactions that no longer serve us and builds resilience. This in turn frees up energy to focus on the opportunities that are available. There are no easy answers to dealing with serious health issues like ataxia, and mindfulness is not a panacea, but it can be used to develop psychological flexibility and self-compassion, which could then help people to move forwards and live meaningful and fulfilling lives. I have already covered basic mindfulness technique in another video, which is available on our website. So here I would like to mention 3 simple mental approaches to help bring mindfulness into your everyday life. Number 1, try to be present. Notice what is happening in your mind and body, also the feelings and impulses that go along with them. You don't have to do anything about any of these experiences, just observe what is happening. If you find this difficult, then that's okay. Be kind to yourself and persevere. Number 2, try to open up. Be prepared to experience both good and bad sensations without judgment or trying to control or get rid of them. It is often when an experience is rejected because we perceive it as bad or unpleasant that frustration and anger occur. And finally, do what matters. Base how you respond in each moment on what is important to you and the possibilities available to you in the current situation. When living according to your own values, dealing with difficult experiences can become much more manageable. This psychological flexibility is eloquently expressed in the words of the Serenity Prayer, which invites us to have the serenity to accept what we cannot change, the courage to change what we can, and the wisdom to know the difference between the two. For more information about ataxia, you can go to the Ataxia UK website, www.ataxia.org.uk. If you would like to know more about mindfulness and acceptance therapies, you can contact us for more information or check out our dedicated mindfulness page on the website.